Right here on Lynx Road in Nyali, something doesn't feel right. These concrete blocks were just installed to improve the road, but drivers are already complaining. Some say it's causing traffic, others say it's a smart upgrade. But when you actually see it up close, you start to question everything. So, is this really progress or a problem in disuse?
Welcome again to another episode. So guys, today I'm in Nyali and I'm in this road of Lynx Road. As you can see, this is Lynx Road. So there is something that I want to address today, and this thing has been talked with so many residents here in Mombasa, especially those drivers who are driving vehicles along this road. They have been asking this question: what are these? Let me just show you guys. What are these? This, you see this? What are these things? These barriers here. Huh? You see them? What are all these barriers here? You see them? Okay. This question has been asked for with so many Mombasa residents, for those people who are using this Lynx Road every time and again, that why did they put some barriers on this road? Because this road, guys, is so narrow. Yeah, it's very, very narrow. As you can see, it's just a two-lane road, and all of this space here has been wasted with these barriers here. Yeah. And I think for me, if it was for me, they could not have put in the barriers, just the lane where motorbikes and motorcycles will be passing. I don't know why they did that. And if you are working, or if you are a contractor, or if you are someone who builds roads, you can comment on the comment section and tell us, why is this road, why did they put these barriers in this road? So that we can able to know why. Because for me, I don't think it makes sense, by the way, putting those barriers. And the other side is, you can see motorcycles are using this one there. Motorbikes are using this side where the barriers are. But I think if they could just put a platform where motorbikes will be used and no vehicle will be used, it will be okay. But they have placed the barriers, and everyone is asking themselves, why did they put these barriers? And remember, this road is being used during the evening time. It's always one-sided, like it's been used as one, like it is one-way road. Cars coming from town going to the area of Nyali. So during the evening time, this road is always very busy, and the people are driving vehicles on this road very, very fast. I've been here several times, and I've seen how the drivers are driving vehicles on this road very, very fast, because most of this road here, Lynx Road, doesn't have any bumps. Yeah, so without any bumps, you know that drivers are driving very fast on this road. So I've been asking myself, why did they put these barriers? Yeah, why did they put these barriers? You can comment on the comment section. For those people who are constructing roads, and they are doing so much of construction, they can comment on the comment section, why did they put these barriers? Because these barriers, one, when vehicle lose control, you can see all the vehicles out there passing. When a vehicle lose control over here and hit these barriers, it will be a very, 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 very big and bad accident when a vehicle loses control. Yeah. Also a motorbike, when a motorbike loses control and hit one of these barriers, it's kind of messy. Yeah, it hasn't happened. God forbid it happens, but it has never happened. So I think the government or the county government should tell us, or anyone who is working for the construction site in terms of roads, maybe could comment on the comment section, why did they put these barriers over here? Yeah, so that Mombasa residents can be satisfied with your answer, or they can know why they put here. And it is only on Lynx Road. I've not seen any of this construction design on any road here in Mombasa, only on this road. And it disturbs me why they did that, and they have never done to other roads here in the area of Mombasa. So the construction people, yeah, for those people working for construction, tell us why this, Why this? And why only Lynx Road? What about other roads in Mombasa? Yeah. So tell us on the comment section why, and let us know why they did this. Huh? Why this? Yeah. So this has been a question asked by so many people here in Mombasa. I know most of the motorcycles are using this road now. Yeah, they are using this road. Also, bicycles are using this road. But the question is, why did they put the barriers? Yeah, because most of the countries I've seen, they have placed the motorcycle lane and bicycle lane. They don't have this kind of barriers. Yeah, but why in Mombasa and just in one road, the Lynx Road, is where they have placed these barriers? Yeah, and you know that this road is a very, very narrow road, very, very narrow road. Let me take you to the roundabout and show you guys what I mean, because you can see it's just one lane. It's a two-lane road. Cars coming from town going to Nyali, and cars coming from Nyali going to town. Yeah, so it's a very narrow road. So I was asking myself, why did they put this? A question that has not been answered by the people who constructed this. And I wish I could find someone who is constructing road here so that I'm able to ask why did they do that, so that I can able to know. But if you're watching this video and you have the answer, you are a contractor, you are a fundi who, or someone who has built this, let us know why this is here. Why this? Yeah, let us know why they placed these barriers on this road. Yeah, okay, let me take you to the roundabout so that I can able to show you guys what I mean, because even the roundabout, they have taken some part of the turning of the roundabout, and I think it's kind of tricky, because as I told you guys, this road is always been used by vehicles coming to Nyali, and it's only one way during the evening time, and vehicles have been driven here in a very high speed. So putting these barriers on this road, for me, it's a no. That's my opinion. I can't talk to other people, but that's my opinion, that putting barriers on this road, it's a no, 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 no. So yeah, so let me show you guys what I mean by danger. And it's not all about negativity, it's all about just an opinion that I have, because I think they have some idea. I don't know, because I was not on that room when they were doing this kind of decision, but yeah, I think it was their idea. You can see the barriers starts from here. Those are the barriers. You can see those are the barriers there, and the roundabout is over there. And you can see all this space from here until over there to the barrier. That's a very big space, that has been wasted, where it will be, I think they could have removed that so that they can make this roundabout kind of big for the vehicles to pass here, like 2 vehicles to pass. Yeah, but they have eaten and they have taken part of the side of the roundabout. So that's what I mean. Yeah, that's what I mean. So guys, comment below if you know what the county government have done, or the idea that they had for them to construct these barriers here. Comment on the comment section, let us know, so that many people can have that idea of why they did that, because I have so many people who had asked that, and I have over 13,000 subscribers. So for those 13,000 subscribers, all of them will know why the barriers were placed here, and it will be a very good thing. Yeah, those misconception of people asking themselves why the barriers, now they'll have the answer why these barriers were placed here. Yeah, so thank you guys. and I hope I'll have answers, and hope the people of Mombasa will have answers why this was constructed here very soon after I post this video and after many people see this video. So yeah, it is not a negativity video, it's just an opinion video for people to understand, because we just saw these things being built here and we didn't have any kind of idea what were they doing. Yeah, because I think people want to make the road bigger and wider, but why making it even narrow with this kind of barriers? Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet, but life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be, half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme.